Hey guys, welcome to episode 9. Today we're going to do some cat poses. So grab some paper and something to draw with and hold on to your tails. Let's draw. All right, my friends, we're going to do some cat poses. So these are great, some great tips if you want to do your own comic or maybe write a book and you want a character to look the same throughout. So the way to do that, I always think, is to build your character with just some simple shapes and carry them throughout the different poses or scenes. So I'm gonna start, so for doing a cat, I'm gonna start with the cat's head, and I'm gonna give the cat a body. Now this cat's gonna be just walking. So some ears, and then I'm gonna put the eyes, so since the cat's walking this way, I'm gonna put the eyes not directly in the middle, but sort of to the right a little bit. And I'll do that with the nose too. Smile. Put some whiskers. Okay. And I'm just gonna come right out from the bottom of this little square. 1 foot. So I have 1 foot down here, the other one up, and then we'll put a hand swinging back like that, and then one going forward. And need the cat's tail. Okay, and then you can add on whatever else you like. Maybe there's some little fur marks, inner parts of the ear, some eyebrows, whatever you want to make it your own. And that is a cat walking. Drop shadow. So simple, great job. Now let's draw a cat running. I'm gonna set it up the same way. It's still the same cat. There's the head shape. And for the body, I'm gonna, instead of doing the square directly right under the circle, oval, I'm going to just kind of have it at an angle like this. Okay? Because the cat is leaning forward a little bit to run that way. So, ears. Same thing with the eyes. I'm gonna just put them slightly to the right of the face. And I'm gonna do that. Like the cat is just like really breathing heavy, running. And some legs. So I like starting with the back one first. So whoop. And then like that. Some whiskers. This cat is late for a party or something. All right, so we need to pump those arms. And I just like drawing a little dot at the end, like he's just like clenching his fists. And then we'll make the other one go up. So you can kind of check with your legs, like whatever the leg is doing, you want the arm to do the opposite. Okay, tail. No, I did a little squiggly tail, like it's flying in the wind behind him. He's just gotta get there. Maybe there's a yarn sail. Yarn sail. Okay, great. And maybe you can do like a little shadow there. This wouldn't really be touching the shadow because it's off the ground. This back foot there. Great job, cat running. All right, let's do a cat hopping. All right, let's do a cat jumping. So I'm gonna start again with the oval face. And whoa, where are you? There you are. Now this one will be facing us, so we can put the eyes and the nose and stuff right in the middle. I'm gonna make him like really happy. Like that. Little square body. Now I'm gonna have his arms kind of bending like that. He's really jumping up. And then I'll do the same thing with his little legs. And we'll do a little shadow here so it really looks like he's jumping off the ground. How about a tail? And some lines here. Cute. And that is a cat jumping. I think he got some good deals at the yarn sale. Great job, you guys. Okay, we need to be quiet for this one because we're doing a cat sleeping. Shh. I'm gonna start with the head here. Some ears. And now I'm gonna put that square body shape just to the right, like that, of the head. So the cat is laying on its belly. Let's tuck some little feet underneath its chin, like it's laying on its hands. And then we'll do a backwards, it's kind of like the letter C, but not completely. So we do that, that's gonna be his leg that's bending, and then you can just draw a foot, like that. And then the tail will come from the top here, all the way over. Some eyes that are sleeping. A nose. I think cat's dreaming about something. And some whiskers. Maybe we can even show what the cat is dreaming about, right? And how we do that is just a little thought bubble, thought cloud. Now you can put whatever you want, whatever your cat could be dreaming about. I think I'm going to have this cat dreaming about just a new ball of yarn, because this cat loves yarn. Maybe a little shadow. Great job, you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and drawing with me. I had so much fun as always. This is our second to last episode of the season. So episode 10 will be the last one. And then I get to go back and work on some new books for you guys that I hope you will love. So thank you so much for joining me so far, and I hope I see you for the very last episode next week. Bye guys, thank you.